Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can transfer cash from your Apple Cash to your debit card. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, logged into your Apple Cash, and once you're logged into your account, on the home page you have to tap on the three dot icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Next interface, you need to tap on transfer to bank, and after that you also have to enter the amount that you want to transfer it. After you're done entering the amount that you want to transfer, you need to tap on next in order to continue the process. Next interface, tap on instant transfer, and in case you haven't added or linked debit card or bank to your Apple Cash, you need to link your bank account or the card. And after you're done linking your bank account or the card, and once again you have to come back to this page and then tap on and instantly transfer. And in case you have already added a bank account or the credit card, then you need to tap on instant transfer, and after that you need to select the card where you want to transfer. And after that, once again there's a confirmation. So for that, what you need to do is you have to double check all of the information that you've provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. And once you're done, you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred cash from Apple Cash to your debit card. So that is how you can transfer cash from Apple Wallet to your debit card. So that is all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.